Hey friend, it's Cochrane here. If you're using Kajabi and you want to sell a product with two tiers, so you have like a basic version of your online course or membership site, and then you have a premium version where you get the basic version content, but you also get some additional content. This is called tiered pricing. There are two different prices, and you want to set that up to be delivered automatically. How do you do that in Kajabi? This is a question that many of you have asked, and I want to show you how to do it. If you don't already have Kajabi, you gotta try it out. It is the best platform to run your online business. I run two businesses with Kajabi. It's my favorite platform for selling digital products like online courses and membership sites, hosting live webinars, running auto webinars, email marketing, landing pages, all that stuff. Kajabi can do it. If you haven't played with it, try it out for free. They have a free trial on their website that's 14 days. But if you use my affiliate link, which is below, or just go to grahamcochrane.com/Kajabi, you can get double the free trial, 28 days to play around with it. You're also going to get a bunch of bonus training videos called the 28-day challenge videos to help you make your first $1,000 while you're using the free trial. How cool is that? It's absolutely free. And if you decide to stick around with Kajabi after the free trial, then part of your payment goes back to support me and my channel, which is pretty cool. And it costs you nothing extra. Price is the same. Just use my link below if you found a lot of value out of this video and other Kajabi videos. And if you already have Kajabi, then you know what you're talking about. Let's dive in and I'll show you how this works. I have a course called Automatic Income Academy. And in that course, I teach everything about passive income and building an online digital business. But there are two tiers of the course. There's the basic tier, which gives you all the main content. That's great. But then there's another tier that costs more money, but what you get is some additional bonus content and you get a custom brand review from me. So you get some additional stuff. And so the question is, how do you set that up technically in the back end of Kajabi? Are they separate products? What does that look like? Do you clone the product? Let me show you how I've done it. There's two ways to do this that work well. And if you are on the lower basic plan of Kajabi where your number of products is limited, I'm going to show you how to do this even if you're maxing out your product limit. So just hang tight. All right. So first of all, you got to understand the way I set it up in the products and then the way I set it up in the offers. First, let's go to products. The way I do it is I have two products, Automatic Income Academy. That's where the whole course lives. And then what I'm calling Automatic Income Academy bonus content. And that's where just the bonus content lives. I'll show you a sneak peek of what these look like. So this is the core product when they're inside the course and they can get access to all the material. And this is the bonus product that has the bonuses. And if you arrow over, there's the 4 bonuses there. You might notice that even inside the bonus product, I have a link to go back to the course, which will link back to the main course, which is here. And inside the user's library, they do show up as 2 separate products. That is the way I set it up. I have the main course as one product, and then the upper tier or bonus level content stuff, I call it platinum level content, as a separate Kajabi product. And let me show you how you set this up so that they get this automatically when they buy. Back inside of my dashboard, when you click on products, and once you've created your main core product and the upper tier product that has only the bonuses, you need to create 2 offers for this course. You need the basic offer and you need the upper tier offer. So you'll notice inside of Kajabi that I have Automatic Income Academy Basic, which is going to include which products? The Automatic Income Academy product. While over on the other offer, I just cloned it, Automatic Income Academy Platinum. This includes 2 products, Automatic Income Academy and the Automatic Income Academy Bonuses product. I set them at 2 different prices. One gives you the core product, one offer gives you both products. This is what I like about the structure of Kajabi having products that are separate from offers. The products are just that. They are just the deliverable. The offer is the price point, and what's included, because I could make a Christmas bundle offer that gives you the upper tier version of Automatic Income Academy and then gives you another course and gives you access to my membership or gives you, I don't know, like my family photos. That would be weird, but I could give you whatever I want that's inside of Kajabi based on offers. And offers aren't duplicating your products, they're just different ways of selling your products, which also allow you to try out different price points or try out a payment plan option and see what converts better. So you set up your sales page to offer two versions of the course, and one is the basic, one is the upper, and you choose the price point, you choose what's included, but when they click on one or the other, they're just buying one offer versus the other offer, and one offer includes bonus content delivered as a separate product, and the other one is just the main product. And what I like to do in the welcome video and in the welcome emails is explain how they access their bonus content. It's very easy to explain. When they log in, they see it in their libraries. I just call the bonus content something like bonus content with the name of the course as well, so it's pretty obvious what it is. But what if you're on the basic plan of Kajabi and you've reached your 3-product limit and you're thinking, Graham, I don't want to use 2 products for 1 product. What do? I only have enough room for the 1 product. How do I add an upper tier if I'm out of my product limit? Well, first, I would say you could probably upgrade if you're making money, because it's not that much more. But if you're not ready to upgrade yet, here's the workaround. Kajabi gives you landing pages, and usually unlimited landing pages. So what I would do in this case is create a simple landing page that includes the bonus content. Let me show you what I mean. If you go to websites and go to pages, you can create a new page, and you could even start with a streamlined sales page. Any template will work. We'll call it bonus tier. And now you're inside of a page, and if you've paid any attention with Kajabi's pages, is you can upload videos. You can embed video content on sales pages, landing pages, opt-in pages. So why not make a page that has the 2, 3, or 1 or 4 bonus videos and instructions for other stuff all in here? So you could literally go to the video and upload a file. And that could be your first bonus, bonus 1. And then if you want another video, if you have 2, you can add a section, add another video here. Click add. Now we click on the video and we upload the second bonus there and the third bonus. You can just keep adding bonuses all on one page. You make a private page that is easy for you to find inside your Kajabi backend. And then what you do is when you create your welcome emails, either you can subscribe people who buy a product to a welcome sequence, like an email sequence, which I recommend. I write out a series of emails to help my new customers onboard and know what to do with the course. And one day I tell them to do this, and one day I tell them to do that. Or even with the automated one-time email that gets sent when they purchase, which if you don't know where that is, when you go to your offers, and let's say we buy Automatic Income Academy Platinum, right? After purchase, you can send them a confirmation email and they can either do the default email, or you can use a custom one. So you could write the email right here if you want. If you just want one auto email that goes out, you can do that here. It's a little janky in basic text, but what I would recommend is an email sequence that they get sent when they purchase. And then what you do over in the marketing tab, under email campaigns, is you create 2 email sequences, right? I have one here for Automatic Income Academy Basic and one for Automatic Income Academy Platinum. And I've set the automation to subscribe them to one of these sequences depending on which offer they purchase. Obviously, if they purchase the basic version of the course, subscribe them to this sequence, which will be my normal sequence. If they buy the Platinum version of the course, subscribe them to this sequence, which will be a clone. So you just clone it one click, so it's the same emails, but then we add in that first email, or we add an email entirely that says, here's the link to your bonus content that you got for buying the upper tier. And what do? We paste the link to the hidden landing page where their bonus content lives. It's a little janky in that it doesn't live inside of their product library. And it's a little janky in that if they refund and you give them their money back and they no longer have access to the product, they still have access to that page because it's just a URL that they've in theory, got stuck in their inbox somewhere, but at least it's just the bonus content. And most people are going to enjoy your product and love it. So it is a free workaround to have unlimited upper tiers of whatever product you have outside of your product limit. However, you decide to do upper tier products for your course or membership, I would recommend you have upper tiers, at least just one other option. There's something powerful when you're selling something to not just have one option at the bottom. Because if you have one option at the bottom, they're asking, ooh, should I buy this or not? If you have two or more options at the bottom, they're asking, which one of these should I buy? That is a different question. That's a more powerful question psychologically, because for a moment it removes the should I be buying this at all? And it just moves it to which one of these is a better fit for me? Which one can I afford? Which one gives me what I need? Is that too much content? Do I not need the upper tier? Am I happy with the basic tier? That's a good place for your people to be when they're looking at your sales material. So either way, I'd recommend having an upper tier. And when you have upper tiers, it allows you to sell the same product, but at a higher price point. And you can easily increase your average order value just by having a premium option on the table. I hope that's helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other questions you have related to upper tiers inside of Kajabi when you're selling your online course or membership. And again, if you haven't jumped on Kajabi, use the free trial that I'm offering below, right? It's double the length of their normal free trial, 28 days instead of 14. And you're also going to get some exclusive bonus training videos called the 28-day challenge video series, which is made by the people from Kajabi themselves to help you get the most out of the product and make your first $1,000 in that 28-day period of time while you're trying it out. And the cool thing is, if you use my link and like Kajabi and become a paid customer, part of your payment goes back to support this channel. So it's a way to like show me some love if this has been helpful for you. And if you don't want to use the link, no hard feelings, or if you're already using Kajabi, totally get it. I'm glad you're on the Kajabi train. We can speak this language together. And if you have a request for a Kajabi tutorial that I should do in the future on the channel, let me know. Any questions you have, I'll try to answer them for you so you get the most out of your Kajabi subscription. As always, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. I'll see you on another video real soon.